Hello friends and welcome to our channel All Rounder Siblings. Today we are going to learn how to make different types of flowers just from the paper. But before starting, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get the notifications soon. So let's start. For making the flowers, we need the material Fevicol, scissor, scale, pencil and eraser and 5 sheets. You can use any color. Because of lockdown, we can't available the colorful sheets. So let's start making the flowers. So let's take a sheet and fold it like this in the triangle shape to get the square. If you have the square sheet, so you can use it. Now take the scissor and cut the extra sheet, leaving the triangle. After cutting, we will get the shape like this, triangle, and when we open it will the square shape. And the extra part shouldn't be thrown in the dustbin, because in our next episode I will use this sheet to make another type of flower. Now take the sheet that we have cut it and keep folding in the triangular shape, and take the pencil and the scale and mark the space of 1.5 centimeter from both sides, in this and here both sides. We should have to mark both sides for cutting. Now we should have to join the points from this side to this side. See it carefully. We are taking this point. See, from this point to the end. Similarly, by turning it over from this point till the end. Similarly, for all the lines we should have to mark. And try to do that the space should be clear, the space should be equal. See, here it is wrong by me, the space is not clear. Their space is of 1.5 inch here, but not it here, so it should be clear to all. Now I have corrected all the linings by joining, and also erase the all dots that we mark for lining. Now we will cut it with the help of scissor. See, we should not have to cut it till this point. We should have to leave some space, a small space, that it will not get See, this is being joined with the paper. We will cut it from both sides in the same way, but keep in mind that it should not be cut from the page. See, this side we have cut it all, similarly with the other side. So now it has been cut, and when we open it, it will look like this. Keep it like this and take Fevicol and use the pencil for the smaller one. For this one, use the pencil, keep one side of the pencil on it like this, and a small drop of glue, and paste it together. Only the point should be pasted, not the whole thing, whole part. Now we will leave one from both sides, from this side and from this side. We will leave it and take by leaving another part. Paste it together, just like first one. By leaving one again, paste the next one. Just like this. By leaving again, take the next one. See, this side has been pasted and it will look like this. Now turn the paper and similarly paste both sides of the paper. See, in this we should not have to leave because we have pasted the other side, so paste it very carefully. So the last one, similarly paste it together. Now after drying, it will look like this. Similarly, we should have to do with other 4 sheets and make the leaf just like this. As I told you to make the petal, now we have done all the 5 petals for making a flower. Now we should have to join these all 5 petals to make a flower. See, first we will keep them together to see the flower is correct or wrong. See, the flower is being correct. Now we will paste it together with the help of Fevicol. Take the one petal and the last point of the petal and other petal should be pasted like this. These 2 petals are being joined, and also you should join these 2 points if it is needed. Otherwise you can leave. Joining all the flower petals together. If it is not pasting from the Fevicol, so you can use the stapler, and in the middle it should be done. See, if we doesn't paste it from these points, so it should not look like a flower. So we should have to paste it very carefully. See, this point and this point together. This point together. You can use the stapler, so it shouldn't get different. It is ready after pasting or stapling, so you can decorate your home from these flowers. See, we have hanged it on the wall. It look like this. Thank you.